I decided to get myself a new laptop, so I wanted to buy a MacBook Pro.
This is the previous laptop I have, which is I think a EliteBook. But the reason why I'm updating or I'm upgrading from this laptop to a MacBook is because first, the battery life is really poor. Like when I travel and I go, let's say, to the pool and I want to trade and eat and on the pool side, it doesn't last that much, maybe 1 hour max. That's one of the downside of using this laptop. So I always want to go to the pool and always have my laptop with me, trading outdoor trading, so it doesn't allow me to do it. And second, I think it has some charger issue lately, so I think these are the two reasons why I want to upgrade to this laptop. So let's unbox this thing. Okay, so do this. Damn, I think this is gray. When I bought, I didn't even ask the color. They only had the gray. If only it was some colors I didn't like, I would never buy it. So this is it. Damn, I think this is the 14-inch. I don't really like big laptops, so I took the 14 inches, which is nice, I guess. And this is the MacBook Pro M2. Let me try to open it. Wow, that looks really nice. Perfect. And let me see what else is inside the box. We have the Type-C, I think. The Type-C charger, which is nice. Damn, okay. So this is the charger. And inside the box, I think we have something else, like a note. I don't know what it is. Maybe, oh, the Apple logo. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put this thing, but I will see that later. We have anything else inside? There's basically nothing left. I don't know if there's something inside, but I think that's fine. And we have the charger as well. So as I said, it's not Type-C, which I'm actually pissed because it's not Type-C, but maybe it's the M3. This is the M2. I think that makes sense. So let me remove this. Wow, this looks perfect. So let me see if I can turn it on. I don't even know exactly where to turn this thing on. Well, I think I will have to charge it. So let me try to charge it quickly and then we'll continue. Let's see. So guys, I'm currently in my room and I'm charging the Mac that I bought today, as you can see there, and so far I actually love it. Like, it's pretty fast, really fast, faster compared to the previous laptop I had. And I'm currently even editing this video that I'm making right now. As you can see here, I'm editing the video, and trust me, this is really smooth and I actually love it. It's the best laptop I think I've used so far. So I'm gonna keep using it for a while, and I may make another video review how it has been with me. And peace out. Hope you guys the best, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And if you want to learn how to trade, you know what to do. Check the link below in the description.